to talk you through the HTML code behind my resume web page. Let's get started. At the top, we begin with the doc type HTML declaration. This tells the browser that the document is written in HTML. Next, in we open a HTML tag with language attribute set to the English using lan en. Inside the head tag, we set character encoding to UTF-8. Define the title of the web page as my resume and the external CSS file named as module.css to the style the page. Let's move to the body and header. The main content starts in the body tag. The first session is header with the class header. It has two parts. On the left, there is a heading H1, my resume, and on the right a profile image followed by name and brief introduction. Image is added using the image tag and class profile pic, and text is wrapped inside a div tag with the class name captain. Coming to the next, we have contact information. We used H3 tag here. Inside there is a unordered list with the list items showing my name, father's name, address, mail, date of birth and phone number. Coming to the next, there is educational details. It includes the table with headers like serial number, institution, board, percent and year of passing. Each row TR tag of the table represents one level of my education from school to the college. Next, coming to the skills section. Skills section, there is another unordered list displaying my programming skills, web development experience, and soft skills like communication and leadership. Coming to the event section, I have participated in Garuda Aerospace Hackathon, GDG Hackathon, IoT workshop, and we won the first prize in Researchers Day event. These are mentioned in the events tag. Coming to the languages now. I know English, Telugu, Hindi, and coming to the interests and hobbies, coding, browsing the internet, traveling, and listening to the music. See, commonly we are used H3 tag for the heading and unordered list for the contents inside the events. Now let's move to the CSS code of our project. CSS code that styles the resume web page. The style sheet helps to organize the layout, colors, spacing, and responsive for the site. We begin with the styling the body. The front set to the Arial, background color to the light greenish. We remove the default margin and padding to ensure the clean alignment. Coming to the header styling. This section is the top section of the web page where name, photo are displayed. We use Finbox with display flex to align the items horizontally. Justify content. Space between pushes the left and right content apart, while align items centers them vertically. A blue background is applied using the code. Padding of 20 pixels adds spacing inside the header. Flex wrap property ensures the layout adjusts nicely on smaller screens. Coming to the header elements. The head one inside the header has no margin to prevent unwanted spacing. Then the header right uses the flexbox again to align the profile picture and the text in the row with a pixel gap between them. Coming to the profile pic styling. It sits to the 80 by 80 pixels, shaping into the perfect circle with the radius border of 50% and given a white border for contrast. The object fit cover property ensures the image fills the circle without destruction. Coming to the name caption. In name caption, the main name H2 has bottom margin to separate from the lines below. Each paragraph tag line has site vertically spacing using the margin 2px. Coming to the main content styling, the content classes sets padding around the entire resume content 20 pixels top and bottom and 40 on the sides with the white background to make the text easy to read. And these are the remaining stylings of the web page. At the last, we use ordered list to list style type, none to remove the bullet points and align the content neatly. Each list item has about 6 pixels of vertical margin. Tables with made with full width using the width 100% and borders are collapsed for a clean grid look. Each cell and header has padding and a light border for separation. Table headers also get a light gray background. Now let us look our website. This is our website we made using the code explained. Thank you.